This is Grandpa up here, Great Grandpa Carbo up here in Washington State. I want to say a special hello to Matthew and Luke down there in Oregon. Anyway, as Grandpa's fixing to do a short, quick inspection of the beehives today. So, anyway, we have Jerry here also with us, and we're going to be working with her. So stand by and we'll go ahead and examine the bees. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, Grandpa's got the smoker going, and Grandpa's going to take the smoker here and he's going to go around and give the bees a little bit of a smoke. Okay, we're going to start with hive number 4. We'll put a little smoke down here by the entrance. And we're going to raise the lid here a little bit. Can you raise it a little bit, Jerry? Back end first, front end first. A little bit. Watch your fingers. Well, as we can see, we got bees down in here, busy eating. You want to take this? Put the lid on the stand back to behind us, Jerry. Jerry. Okay. All right. Anyway, that's what it looks like inside. We got some feeder bottles in there, and we're fixing to tear this down and look inside and see what else we got. Now she's taking the bottles out. The bees are going to get a little bit aggravated because they took it. Want to take the other box off, please? And we got an earwig there. All right. Now we're down to inner cover. We're going to go take a peek underneath that. Okay, she's going to need the hive tool. I'm going to pause this there. Okay. Grandpa, you going to be able to do that? Or can you do that? You just stick it underneath the edge like this here. We're going to pop it a little bit. Okay, now let's get the smoke and put a little puff of smoke underneath there. All right. Raise that up a little bit. Let's get a couple of puffs. Okay, put the lid back down. All right, we're just going to let that sit for a second. Okay, she's taking the cover off now. And all the bees have gone down inside. Anyway, we're going to look in here and see what we got. Okay. Hold on here a second, and I'm going to do this here, and she's going to take the camera.
Okay.
Okay. I'm taking the frame out, and you can see there's nothing on this frame. I'm going to put it right down over here. And I'm going to go get the next frame. Pry it loose. And there's nothing on that one either. Okay. Okay, this next one, look at that. They got some honey on that. See the honey? That's honey right here. I'm going to point it out. That's honey. And they put cone in there, so they're busy filling that up. And I'm going to get another frame out here. Oh, this one's really heavy. We got honey on that side. It's been
Hold
capped.
on.
Can you see it?
No. No. Okay.
And we got some honey on this one that's been capped. And we just tore out some cone. That's because they were building it wrong.
Put them on the ground. This thing is still running.
Okay. All right, I'm going to slip this frame back down in there. I made a mistake last time. I must not have got the frames back in there right. Okay. Pull another one out. It's pretty heavy too. And we have cap honey on that side also. That's looking good. Okay, we got some cap honey on that one. So that tells me I still got room to feed. There's plenty of room for them to put more cone in that there. So I'm going to continue on feeding this one to build up the supply for the winter so they'll have plenty to eat. This one just has a little bit on either side. That shows me that these other frames here are empty.
Yep.
And there's nothing on them.
Empty.
Yep. So they're empty. So anyway, I'm going to put this back together and we'll go to the next one. And you can go ahead and shut that off, Jerry.